The first example you can see here, we have the compound down like this. 入学 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 is mean entrance, entry to school, entry to school. And we have the example like this. 明日は大学の入学式です。明日は大学の入学式です。Which means tomorrow is my university entrance ceremony. And the new is mean enter or entrance, and the gaku is mean school. So when you put the new to with the gaku is mean entry to school or enter to the school. So this example in here we have the入学式. Shiki is mean the ceremony. So it mean when you enter to the university or just a high school or that they will have a ceremony. So in the case like this, they will use 入学式. 入学式 is mean entrance ceremony. For example, you can say 大学の入学式 or you can say high school is mean 高校の入学式. So every time you use the 入学 with the shiki is mean entrance ceremony. And another example, you can create a sentence like 入学式はいつですか? 入学式はいつですか? Which means when is the entrance ceremony? In here we don't specify for university or high school or just secondary school. So when you want to say about the university, you can put 大学の入学式はいつですか? Which means when is the university entrance ceremony? Or you can say 高校の入学式はいつですか? Which means when is the high school entrance ceremony?